Deep.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. You're so dark. Hey, babe. There we go. Babes, why are you doing? No, babes.
With this one hand down. There's nothing in there.
Okay, bye, Mama.
Oh, yes. Gasp. Gasp. Okay, babes. I'm not designated, please.
Oh, babes, you
Just because I have
the camera.
a camera.
She literally made it herself.
Is there like a theme? They're all.
They are. Need to pick the best one. This one has a bathroom. On my two.
I want to went to the car.
Who am I sleeping with Tanaka? We're sleeping together. Let's pick.
Okay, this one's very hot, but this one's cute.
Which one's cuter?
This one, I like this one. This one has better lighting.
ours.
Oh, yes. Ah, yes. Ah,
This is ours. I'd like
yes.
to.
It's finished. Wow, babes. The people needed to see that.
I can't wait to wear my sheets.
Oh, this is so cute. Fantastic.
I heard someone say, where?
It's gorgeous. Take it as it is, bro.
Ooh, la la.
So
Yeah.
did you put on lashes?
Oh, come. Ooh. Yeah, but yeah. Come on, ladies.
Rich auntie. That's who she is. Rich auntie.
Let's go and do Miss Asamben.
Look at you know what, G?
Yo, run what's in the wall.
Is dry.
Yes, oh my lord. Okay, Madam
I hope you
T.
know this vlog is going on my channel.
It really is not.
It has.
It's going on my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
I'm cutting that out.
Go to Tanaka for.
Hi, everybody. We ready? I hope it's not too zoomed
She
in.
ready.
Is it fine?
Babes, I have. Oh yeah, it's okay. But we.
Drinking some pink lemonade. Let's go. The kids are on their way to dinner. Let's go. Tay, we've switched up the hair. Come on. We're now a blondie. Let's go.
But exercise is cool.
No, listen.
And when you get married, the island is gonna be like this.
Oh, what?
Tish, why do you look so focused, bro?
Hey.
Hi, Ollie.
Hey babes.
How are you, Ollie? Yo, why do you look dark, Olwetsi?
I am
It's like when I go to Tish, it goes back to no.
I am dark.
But you're not as dark as you look. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Whoa.
It's not glowing.
It is, but you were making a weird face. Why are you running away?
Literally. In like 2 years. 2 years. Like gap year. Yeah, you posted. I couldn't finish a video. You were sitting on the bed the whole time. Babes, that was 1 5-minute video.
This side.
Oh yeah.
You see what I'm talking about?
And I think I finished it.
As jy vat vorige dag was
This
Vrydag
is the view. Come on, beautiful view. Oh.
Friendships.
Oh. my goodness. What?
You know what this is? Lemon.
Where's your food, babes?
The Lord is calling.
What did they first? Come on, food.
I don't know. What is the color?
Tish, what's your favorite thing about Melo?
She's such a kind person. No, but she really
No,
is.
she really is. And she's so passionate about dogs. She can be passionate about dogs. Imagine how passionate she is about humans.
Hey, come on.
Even you watching this video, think about how passionate she is about humans. Yes. What she cares about, what she loves. She's just mellow.
Same, bro. Same.
That's it.
What's your favorite thing about Mello?
I like that I can be myself around her because she lets me goof off, and I'm always trying to goof off.
I think that's just your personality.
It's my personality, but I like it when someone doesn't make me feel weird for being weird. All right, kids, it's time to go home. Oloit is ready to go home. Oli.
Didn't I say I wanted the flu?
This is why we're not going home. Tabo, you see you guys started.
So I had this one, I had to, like, you know.
Wow, Inception. Yes, Tish. Oh, come on. Oh, hey. I don't even know how your legs do that.
Friend, I just had this when I was young.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're giant, my baby girl. Yeah, drive you, I love.
It's not the other one. They have a gaming center.
I know.
They have a gaming center.
Next.
Do you guys want to see Taste Belly?
Continue with the gaming center thing.
Wait, I need to
How many did you get there?
That's scary, bro.
You need to get 4 and we're done. We throw it out the window. Come on, babe.
How many do we have?
We don't need to
Look at you.
No, we need to know.
No, we'll tell you after.
You've got this. It's blue. You've got this. It's blue. Just post it.
The pressure.
This thing.
Yeah, that guy.
2, 1.
She doesn't want to lose stars.
An actor. American. He's old now.
Mari baba ndombrati basaudi.
He's white. Okay. George Clooney. Yes. Okay, go. The triangle in the sea where you get lost. Remember that? It's a radio show here, not Metro. The other one. After 4, the number 5. Yeah. Article. It's like American thing. The what? The what?
You guys need 2.
Oh, wait. Jokes.
Guys are really.
Oh my god, they can't
Lord
even.
Jesus.
Let me speak in tongues. Yeah,
The red lady Ariel, who was a cartoon.
The Little Mermaid.
Yes. The team that is red and it's the
Manchester
red label.
United.
Yes. The play with Shakespeare, who was with
Macbeth.
No, the other one. Just before it. We did it in Madrid. Okay, what am I doing here?
Yes, dancing, skipping.
Yes. Oh God. Never mind.
We won, didn't we?
Isn't there?
Guys.